Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be making a snake rush game on Scratch. We'll make it in two parts. This is the first part, and in this part we'll be designing the directions of a snake. So first of all, let's name this project as Snake Rush Game. So let's begin by deleting this sprite and painting a new one, which would be a snake. Now we'll take the circle tool, fill its color to green, somewhat like this. Now we'll paint a circle in the center. We'll set its outline to 0. Now we'll go back to the code section, and first of all we'll be needing some variables. Let's delete my variable first. Now we'll make a cloud variable which will be score. Our second variable would be direction for all sprites. Third variable would be time for all sprites. Fourth would be X position for all sprites, and the fifth and last one would be Y position, that would be for all sprites. Now we'll hide all these variables, leaving score. Now we'll go to events and select when green flag clicked. We'll go to variables and select set score to 0. From the drop down of score, we'll change it to direction. Set direction to right. Now we'll duplicate it, and in the place of direction we'll set time to 0.5 seconds. Perfect. Now we'll place a go to X and Y 0 block after green flag click block. We'll set its X and Y positions to 0. Perfect. Now we'll set its size to 70. Now we'll take a forever loop if. Now we'll take an equal to operator, and in the first block we'll place direction variable, and in the second we'll say if direction equals to right, then change X by 5. Now we'll duplicate this and we'll set if direction equals to left, change X by -5. Now we'll duplicate these both together, and in the place of that if direction equals to right, we'll set if direction equals to up, and in the below one we'll set if direction equals to down. Now we'll remove the change X block and we'll place change Y by 10 block and set its value to 5 for up and -5 for down. Now we'll place it below those codes set. Now we'll take create clone of myself, set X position to X position and set Y position to Y position. Perfect. Now we'll take when up arrow key pressed, if direction is not equal to down, then set direction to up. Now we'll duplicate it for other directions also. Perfect. Now we'll go to backdrops and paint a new backdrop, which would be game over. We'll select the text tool and set its color to red and write in the middle game over. We'll also name this backdrop to game over. We'll select when green flag click, show when I start as a clone. Wait 1 second. Now in the place of 1, we'll place the variable time. When I start as a clone, wait time seconds and delete this clone. Perfect. When green flag click, switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Congratulations! Our first part has been completed. Let's check the directions of our snake. Yay! Our snake is moving properly as per the code. So that is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel for such more videos, and also set the bell icon to all for receiving all the new notifications of my latest videos. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.